Do you know how to speak Chinese?
Let's go! Because half Korea.
Half Chinese. May half ag.
Okay, hold. Tutulog siya. Hello, say hi. Yeah. Itulog na sa likod, itulog na. Okay, 1, 2, 3, legs up! Let's go! Pre, kuha pre. Guys, may bago kami kasama ngayon. Shout out niya guys sa Navarro Team. Ayan. New hire. Bagong hire namin sir dito sa Cambugahay Falls. Guys, hello guys. Ngayong June 11, 2025, pupunta si Elias sa Sunnyland Bar. So, kita-kits tayong lahat guys.
Bye-bye. Ingat. Thank you for watching.
Ow!
Do you know how to speak Chinese?
Let's go! Because half Korea.
Half Chinese. May half ag. Go, girl.
Guys!
Go, mom. Our new guide here. Yes. Wow. Bonafide check up. Yeah. Yeah, fish. Yes. Yeah.
10 peso. 10 peso. French fries. Don't remember.
We invite you to. Yeah, that's it.
No, you.
Yeah. We invite you to come here in Sotun Cove and follow our page.
Welcome to Bola Santa.
Again.
I don't know.
Okay.
What is it again?
You say, we invite you to visit here in Sotun Cove.
Welcome to visit here
In Sotun Cove.
Welcome to visit.
2, 3, go.
Welcome to Sotun Cove.
Yay!
Wala na, kailangan mas ilaw.